Hey guys, welcome to the sixth and final lesson of the Forex Copy Profit System Blueprint. In this video, I take a little bit of time showing you how to choose the right traders to copy at both InstaForex and eToro Social Investment Network, which are the two companies I actually do my trade copying with and get some very good results. So make sure you watch the video. You might need to watch this video more than once because that's because I throw a lot of things at you. It's quite a long video, and anything you don't understand, please don't hesitate to drop your questions. I'll be glad to help you. And I go on in the video to show you some steps where you actually see people making money using the system. This is because this system actually does work if you put it into work, and it is logical when you think about it. These traders actually trade and they make money, and you see that they make money because you have all the data and analytics you could use to verify that. So just make sure you watch the video and you enjoy it, and I'll be glad to help you. Anything you don't understand, just drop your questions and I'll be glad to help. Once again, it's Anas Abba. Hey guys, welcome to the sixth lesson in the Forex Copy Profit System Blueprint. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to pick traders to copy and make money. Now, this is the Forex Copy Trader monitoring page within the client's cabinet at InstaForex. Now, there are a couple of columns here that you want to pay attention to when selecting traders to copy. So we'll be going through each column, and I'll try to explain them to you and just show you exactly how I pick traders that are profitable and make me money consistently. Now, the first column is the accounts column, and this column basically just shows you the account number of the traders within the monitoring page. The second column is the profit column, which you can actually select and filter the profit margin you wish to for the traders you wish to copy. Now you can see that we have from above zero up to from 200 to 300%. That's this is the profit within a 9-month period. So when you select 200 to 300, like I just did right now, you would only have traders pop up who have had a gain of 200 to 300% ROI show up in the monitoring page. Now, the thing I want you to pay attention to is that you do not want to actually just select traders based on their profits, just selecting traders with high profits and just going for it. No, what you want to do is you want to pay attention to the risk profile. Now, the second column is the balance column, and as you can see, I've filtered it to above accounts greater than $10,000. Why I select this is because I basically want accounts with a lot of money to trade. $10,000 is quite standard amount for me. A trader trading anything less than $10,000, I don't really want to spend my time researching. So the fourth column is the equity column, and basically the equity shows you how much a trader's balance will be after they close all their open trades. Now from the table here, you can see that we have the first trader has $54,840, but his equity is $52,376. Now, going by the fifth column, which is the current trades column, you can see that this trader has 2 trades open actually. So what this means is that these 2 trades are actually costing him close to about $2,000, and that is why his equity is lower than the account balance. Now, this trader particularly doesn't fall within our copy trading criteria because I generally like to pick traders with equities higher than the account balance. But if there's any difference between the equities and the account balance, I don't want that difference to be more than $1,500. So this trader doesn't actually fit our criteria. But when we take a look at the second trader here, you can see that his equity is actually greater than his account balance. Now this trader has more than 200 trades, which is our bare minimum, and his profit over a 9-month period has been over 100%. Now this trader is a very good trader to copy, and I think what we'll do basically is let me get rid of this problem I'm having with my connectivity, and we'll go on and copy the trade. I'll show you how to copy the trades from this trader. Just give me a minute to do that. Thank you. Okay, I'll seem to have fixed the problem, and now we're going to copy the trade. I'm going to show you how to copy the trades from this trader, which is profit. Where I taught you how to actually manage your risk before you even come to the stage where you actually pick traders to copy. So now, before you even come to the stage, you must have actually decided how much you want to invest in the forex copy and calculated your individual risk per trade, because this is where you're going to have to key in your copy ratio and copy the trades from this trader. So basically now we're on the profit traders page, and as you can see, this trader has been consistently profitable over the whole period of the total period of 9 months, with a weekly profit of about 11%, monthly profit of 85%, 3 months profit of 100, 6 months profit of 119, 9 months profit of 109, and total profit of 109%. So let's this trader's balance is 47,667. His equity is okay. His equity is a bit lower than his balance, but not too much, just $100 and something. And this is definitely the type of trader we want to copy. So the next thing we'll do is we'll click on. Okay, now we're on profit copy traders page, and basically you see these are all the options we have for copying. Where if we choose to copy the trades of this trader, this is the flexibility you get with InstaForex for copying trades from a trader. So I want you to pay attention to the copy ratio here. And as you can see that the current copy ratio is one lot deal. That's one standard lot deal to a standard lot deal by you. So when the trader opens a standard lot deal, you will copy him with the exact same standard lot deal. Now this does not matter even if the trader has a bigger account than yours, because leverage will cover it up for you. But this is actually trading risky, and you end up blowing your accounts when you do that. You want to be consistent and make money, not to blow your money. So what you want to do is, assuming you have $100 account now, you calculate 2% of $100, and 2% of $100 would be $2. Now divide $2 by 100, and you get 0.02. Now that will be 2 micro lots. So for $100 account, when this trader opens a standard lot deal, you want to copy this trader with 0.02 lot deals, and this will ensure that you're keeping within the risk limits when you actually, even though you're copying trades from this trader. So you have the options to select which currency pair trades you want to copy from this trader. You have the option to select how many trades to copy from this trader, if you want to copy the whole of the trades, or just a select few of the trades he opens per day. And basically that's all you have to do to start copying the trades of this trader and start making money. You can see this trader's equity has been on a rise, and this trader has been making some nice profits for himself and his copiers. Now there's been some past investments, and you can see this is the current subscription tab, and you can see from the current subscription, this trader, his copiers are actually making money. You see, this is the commission he's been earning, and for him to earn commissions, that means the trades he's opened were profitable. Now let's take a look at the past subscriptions, and let's basically get a feel for how much the copiers who followed this trader before made. So you see, this will kind of like be the icing on the cake. When we see that a lot of trade copiers have copied this trader and made some money copying his trades, all of our pointers and our indications will have proved right again, and this will be a safe bet to copy this trader and make some nice profits. And yes, just like I guessed, you can see this trader has been making some nice amounts of profits for his followers. You can see here, you can just see $30 commission, $13, that's his commission. And you can see this $10, $4 is commission, $4, $2. You see, this is actually copies. You see, this is a little bigger one, $85. This trader has been consistently making money for the trade copies who have been following him. You see, $148. This is how simple the system is, guys. You find traders with accounts balances not too different, not too far from the equities, and with trades not less than 200 over a 9-month period, and just copy and you're good to go. So calculate your risk effectively, and you're going to start making money in no time, people. I really would like to help you, and I would want to know what you don't understand. So you can drop your questions and your comments below. Like I always tell you, I'll just be a line away. Anything you don't understand, just don't hesitate to ask me. I'll definitely put you through. Now, the second thing I want to do is I want to show you how to copy trades at eToro. Now, copying trades at eToro is a little different because you don't get that same copy ratio and all those flexibilities in Forex. But basically, what I do when I copy traders at eToro is I go for traders with a minimum of 100 copiers and a maximum drawdown. That's the drawdown, weekly or maximum, whatever the drawdown is, nothing more than 5%. So you can see this trader has a lot of copies. He's made a lot of gain, but his drawdown, I can't take this because the risk is just too much for me. 99%, 64% is too high. So what I do is, the first thing I do is I go for, on the rankings tab, that's when you click within your eToro open book account, you click on the people rankings tab, then you go and click on low weekly drawdown. Now when you click on the low weekly drawdown, it will bring out a list of traders with weekly drawdowns that are actually low, not too high. If you've read the blueprint, you see that I've shown you an example of the trader I've selected. You see, these are all good traders to copy, but the problem is their copiers are less than 100. So if it wasn't for the copiers, their drawdowns are minimal, and that's exactly what we want. Now, this trader has a weekly drawdown of 2.9, which is less than the 5, but his copiers are not much, they're just 50. This trader is this trader is okay for me if I'm ready to copy, because there doesn't seem to be any trader with above 100 copiers here. So I want to check the more information about this trader's activity so I could tell if this trader will be worth following or not. Don't forget, guys, anything you don't understand here, you could always drop a question and I would be glad to put you through and everything. Okay, now as you can see from this trader's trading activity, from his equity chart, you see that his equity chart isn't actually too swingy, should I say. It's been fairly consistent, you know. You see, here, this trader has had a gain of over 90% and profitable rates of about 87.5%. And consistently, we've had profits within the last week, last month, last 3 months, and this trader has been consistently profitable. And his average profit, well, not much, but maximum profit is above the maximum loss. This trader is good to copy. I will definitely copy a trader from here, but what I want you to understand is you can copy traders from Forex and you can copy traders from eToro. It's just the more money you have, the more you can diversify your portfolio and diversify your risk. So if you just have like $100, I would advise you just start with one trader, and when you make some more profits, like $200, you copy another trader, so you divide the money equally amongst them, and just get it from there. Just start doing this. I promise you will not regret this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, do not hesitate to drop your questions and your comments and everything. I will be glad to hear them, and I'll be glad to help you. Once again, it's Anas Abba, the Forex coach, and